Hello everyone. Now we are going to start with October part 1 current affairs 1209. Uh, from date 1 to 9 October we are going to cover in October month current affairs in two parts. First this one is first part. We will going to cover second part in next video. Now let's get started. Adani Group Sri Lanka 700 million 35-year Colombo container. Adani Group Sri Lanka 700 million dollar 35 years. Payback India launch pay feature, QR based payment and loyalty points. Payback India pay feature, Payback India pay feature, QR based payment and loyalty points. Alok Mishra India Ports Global Limited MD. Alok Mishra India Ports, Alok Mishra India Ports. PM Poshan 25 to 26 2015 to 2016 total budget outlay 130,795 crore. Maharashtra launch digital Bharti umbrella app. Maharashtra launch digital Bharti umbrella app. Citizen centric facilities. Vinay Saxena, chairman of KVIC. Vinay Saxena, chairman of KVIC. Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation MOU. Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation sign an MOU with IFCCI investment infrastructure from French companies. First Atal Community Innovation Center. First Atal Community Innovation Center. Government of India, Niti Aayog, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Government of India, Niti Aayog, Jaipur, Rajasthan. NTPC Limited MOU signed with CSIR Institute of Mineral and Minerals Technology. NTPC sign an MOU with CSIR Institute of Mineral and Minerals Technology. International Older Day 1st October. International Older Day 1st October. Vayo Naman Ministry of Social Justice. International Older Day 1st October. Vayo Naman Ministry of Social Justice. West Bengal highest small saving scheme July-September. West Bengal highest small saving scheme July-September. National Basketball Association Ranveer Singh brand ambassador. Baby wipes Kareena Kapoor brand ambassador. 4,400 crore into ECGC. 4,400 crore into ECGC. NSDL Padmaja Chundru. Indian Bank Tamil Nadu IEHRMS. Indian Bank Tamil Nadu IEHRMS. Coffee Day 1st October. Vegetarian Day 1st October. Coffee Day, Vegetarian Day, Older Day. Coffee Day, Vegetarian Day, Older Day 1st October. Narayan Rane India exports increase export 50% by 2022. Narayan Rane India export increase exports by 50% in 2022. Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climate Change, Wetland of India portal. Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climate Change, Wetland of India portal. Soma Prasad, MD of UCO Bank. Soma Prasad, UCO Bank. Airtel Payment Bank join hands with dairy startup Stella Apps. Airtel Payment Bank, dairy startup Stella Apps. गिरिराज सिंह लॉन्च पीपल्स प्लान कैंपेन सबकी योजना सबका विकास. गिरिराज सिंह लॉन्च पीपल्स प्लान कैंपेन सबकी योजना सबका विकास एंड वाइब्रेंट ग्राम सभा डैशबोर्ड. नेवी टू नेवी टॉक्स ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंडिया टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस. नेवी टू नेवी टॉक्स ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंडिया. राइट लाइवलीहुड अवार्ड लीगल इनिशिएटिव फॉर फॉरेस्ट एंड एनवायरमेंट. राइट लाइवलीहुड अवार्ड Legal Initiative for Forest and Environment. NTPC Renewable Energy. First Green Term Loan Agreement with Bank of India to develop 470 megawatt in Rajasthan and 200 megawatt in Gujarat. NTPC Renewable Energy. First Green Term Loan Agreement with Bank of India. Develop 470 megawatt Rajasthan, 200 megawatt Gujarat. MD and CEO of CRISIL Amish Mehta. CRISIL अमिश महता. स्वच्छ भारत इनिशिएटिव्ह 2.0, अमृत 2.0. SBU Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0 was launched with 1.41 lakh crore. Amrut 2.87 lakh crore. 100% coverage of sewage and septage in 500 Amrut cities. Swachh Bharat Initiative, Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0, 1.41 lakh crore. Amrut 2.87 lakh crore. Atal Mission for Reforms in Urban Transformation. Roger Hunt Football. Amazon Web Services, Intel. Experience Studio at Niti Aayog Cloud Innovation Center. Amazon Web Services, Intel. Experience Studio at Niti Aayog Cloud Innovation Center. 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, Gandhi Museum, Nuakhai, Bangladesh. 152nd birth anniversary, 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti, Gandhi Museum at Nuakhai, Bangladesh. 4th October, World Animal Day, Heinrich Zimmer, 2003. 4th October, World Animal Day, Heinrich Zimmer, 2003. MD and of LIC, BC Patnaik. MD of LIC, BC Patnaik. Dilip Asbe, NPCI. Dilip Asbe, NPCI. IFSCA setup expert panel CK Mishra. IFSCA setup an expert panel CK Mishra. World class sustainable finance hub. 80th Foundation Day of ICSR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. 80th Foundation Day of CSIR, 26 September 1942. 26 September 1942, 80th Foundation Day of CSIR. Third edition of Digital Quality Life Index prepared by Surfshark. India ranked 59 of 110, while Denmark top. Third edition Digital Quality Life Index prepared by Surfshark. 59 out of 110, while Denmark top. Digital Quality Life Index. Rajasthan launch Mukhyamantri Pratayan Udyog Sambal Yojana, Tourism and Hospitality Sector. Rajasthan launch Mukhyamantri Pratayan Udyog Sambal Yojana, Tourism and Hospitality Sector. Equit Rating and Research Indian join UN Principle for Responsible Investment. Join the Union Principle for Responsible Investment. 2nd October, World Day for Farm Animals. 2nd October, Farm Animals. Swampale Mumba, Mumbai species. Swampale Mumba, Mumbai species. First Khasi woman, Rebecca Suchiang. First Khasi woman, Rebecca Suchiang. Microsoft India, Ministry of Labor and Environment, Digi Saksham. Microsoft India, Digi Saksham. Microsoft India, Digi Saksham. Ministry of Labor and Environment. Asian Table Tennis, India bronze. Asian Table Tennis, India bronze. Suryodaya Small Finance Bank ATM shutdown. FC Goa Durand Cup Football. FC Goa Durand Cup Football. Indian Overseas Bank removed from PCA. Indian Overseas Bank removed from PCA. AU Small Finance Bank NABARD, Rajasthan to boost rural development. AU Small Finance Bank NABARD, Rajasthan. AU Small Finance Bank NABARD, Rajasthan to boost rural development. David Julius Arden, Patapolitian medicine receptor for temperature touch. David and Arden got the Nobel Prize for medicine for the receptor of temperature touch. David Julius Arden. David Julius Arden, medicine. Wildlife Week 2 to 8, forest and livelihood. Sustainable people and planet. Sustaining people and planet. Wildlife Week 2 to 8 October. Wildlife Week 2 to 8 October, forest and livelihoods. 8th edition Mitra Shakti. 8th edition Mitra Shakti. 15th million USD LOC Government of India for rehabilitation of existing portable water in Sierra Leone. In Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone. Shiv Nadar and Malika Srinivasan, US India Business Council. Shiv Nadar, Malika Srinivasan, US India Business Council. Chen Yufei Badminton Women's Single Tokyo. Chen Yufei Badminton Women's Single Tokyo. Mitchell Phillips, highest gold in the history of Olympic Games. Mitchell Phillips, highest gold history of Olympic Games. Rupinder Pal Singh, retirement from hockey. Rupinder Pal Singh, retirement from hockey. National Export Insurance Account 1650 crore for 5 years. National Export Insurance Account 1650 for 5 crore. Modi Jal Jeevan Mission 2019. Modi Jal Jeevan Mission 2019. Sage and Scared Portal Senior Citizen. Sage and Scare Portal Senior Citizen. Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry. World Bank $150 million Chennai City Partnership. World Bank $150 million Chennai City Partnership. Sandeep Singh, Vice Chief of Air Staff to replace Chaudhary. Sandeep Singh replaced Chaudhary, Vice Chief of Air Staff. ECLGS till March 31st, 2022 or till it reaches its tagline 4.5 lakh crore. ECLGS March 31st, 22nd or till it reaches its tagline 4.5 lakh crore. IndusInd Bank, Indel Money offer gold loans. IndusInd Bank, Indel Money offer gold loans. State Bank of India, NAB e-cash. State Bank of India, NAB e-cash card. Ranjit Rai, Kathmandu dilemma resettling India-Nepal ties. Ranjit Rai, Kathmandu dilemma. Kathmandu dilemma. 9-member expert group SP Mukherjee. 9-member expert group SB Mukherjee. Second phase Swachh Bharat Mission Urban. Second phase Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0 1.41 lakh crore. Bala V. Balachandran, founder Great Lakes Institute of Management. Balachandran, founder of Great Lake Institute of Management. The Government of India LOC 100 million USD. Purpose of financing. Government of India LOC 100 million USD. Purpose of financing projects in solar energy in Sri Lanka. LOC, Government of India give LOC 100 million USD to Sri Lanka for solar energy projects. Administrator of NASA Bill Nelson. Administrator of NASA Bill Nelson. You Grow Capital IDBI Bank MSME. You Grow Capital IDBI Bank MSME. National flag largest national flag Khadi Ladakh. Elon Musk PayPal Sanjay Bhargava. Elon Musk PayPal Sanjay Bhargava. Elon Musk PayPal Sanjay Bhargava. North Korea Hwasong 8. US Landsat to monitor Earth land surface. US Landsat 9 to monitor Earth land surface. Amrut 2.0 mission PM Modi 2.87 lakh crore. 89th anniversary 8th October Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force 89th anniversary 8 October. First Monday of October World Habitat Day. First Monday of October, World Habitat Day. Rupees 13,165 crore, Defence Acquisition Council for Modernization of Armed Forces. 13,165 crore. Bygent Panda Corporate Affairs Secretary. Panda Corporate Affairs Secretary. Chairperson of Company Law Committee. Amitabh Ghosh Jangalnama. Amitabh Ghosh write Jangalnama book. Paytm 100% stake in digital lending startup. CreditMate. Paytm 100% stake in digital lending startup. CreditMate. Assam launch Mission Basundhara to resolve issues related to land record. Assam launch Basundhara. Assam launch Mission Basundhara. Resolve issues related to land record. Animal Welfare Day 4th October. Animal Welfare Day 4th October. World Bank $40 million. Health services in Meghalaya. World Bank 40 million Meghalaya health services. President of US Business Council Nisha Bansal. President of US Business Council Nisha Biswal. Niti Aayog, the State Nutrition Profile 19 state. Niti Aayog State Nutrition Profile 19 state. State Bank of India 3 NBFC MFI Mutual Fund Institution for Co-lending. State Bank of India 3 NBFC's Mutual Fund Institution for Co-lending. UP One District One Product Kangana Ranawat. UP One District One Product Ambassador Kangana Ranawat. Vinod Agrawal Automotive Skill Development Council. Vinod Agrawal Automotive Skill Development Council. First woman PM Tunisia Najilia Romadne. First woman PM Tunisia Najla to review and benchmark the timeline in project execution. Coal Ministry to review the benchmark of timeline in project execution. Coal Ministry. USD 356.6 billion 356.67 million from ADB to Tamil Nadu. ADB give loan to Tamil Nadu Chennai Metro Rail Corporation. PNB MetLife India Insurance Company Limited. PNB MetLife India Insurance Company Limited 15.27% rupees 1960 crore by MetLife International Holdings. 15.27% rupees 1906 crore by MetLife International Holding. FSSI Ministry of Food Processing Industry. FSSI Ministry of Food Processing Industry. FPO Farmer Producer Organization. Ropeway Public Transport at cost 400 crore. Varanasi UP. Ropeway Public Transport at cost 400 crore. Varanasi UP. World Space Week 4th to 10th October. India's waste problem waste to health. India's waste problem waste to health. Right Livelihood Award. Legal Initiative for Forest and Life. Frida Hassan. Volodymyr Marthe. Frida. Germany unveiled logo for Soccer 2024. Germany unveiled logo for Soccer 2024 European Championship. UEFA 55 member nation. Theme World Teachers Day. Teachers at the heart of educational recovery. Tax Inspector Without Borders program launched in Seychelles. India is partner. Tax Inspector Without Border program launched in Seychelles. India is a partner. Now we will going to cover second part in next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.